This video was created using AI. Okay, it wasn't, but I do think that over the next 2 to 3 years, we're going to be in a situation where it's going to get more and more difficult to tell whether a video is original or created using AI. Whether it's someone like myself just sitting in front of a camera, talking to the camera, talking to their audience, or whether it's just software publishing 50 videos a day is going to get really difficult. But I think a bigger problem is that the quality of content is just going to get worse and worse. And we've already seen that in 2024 and 2025. So that's what I'd like to talk about in this video. But before I do, I just want to say I hope you all had a fantastic time over the holidays. I hope you managed to spend some time with your family and friends, and I wish you all the best for 2026. But I'm going to put a dampener on it by starting this year with a rant. And it really is a complaint and a rant about what's happening on YouTube and what's happening across the internet. This is an article on Capwing. It was published a few months ago by Liam Curtis, and you can see the headline here: AI Slop Report, the global rise of low-quality AI videos. Capwing's new research shows that 21 to 33% of YouTube's feed may consist of AI slop or brain rot videos. Now, I'll link to this article so you can read it in full, but I just want to show you this part because they describe AI slop as careless, low-quality content generated using automatic computer applications and distributed to farm views and subscriptions or sway political opinion. Brain rot is described as compulsive, nonsensical, low-quality video content that creates the effect of corroding the viewer's mental or intellectual state whilst watching, often generated with AI. So I'll leave a link to this. You can see what's going on and the problems that are there. They've did all the research on it. But I just want to talk about the general feeling of it because, yes, I'm someone that does upload videos to YouTube. Call me a YouTuber if you wish. But I'm also someone that just loves YouTube. I watch YouTube every single day. I watch YouTube content a lot. And I will say, I know not everyone likes shorts, but I did start to like shorts over the last year or so. I did watch a lot of YouTube shorts. But the shorts that I was watching initially, I was watching shorts from other tech YouTubers. I was watching gamers and interesting things like that. This is a guesstimate, but it seems like 90+% of YouTube shorts now is just AI crap. It's either movies that have been stolen and chopped up and uploaded, or it's just, stolen videos from other channels and did voice narration over it. It's just garbage. I wouldn't be complaining as much if it was good, but it's just awful. It's just absolutely awful. Now, obviously that figure of 21 to 33%, that will take in all videos. But the thing is, even like long form videos, the rectangular videos, the normal videos, we're starting to see a lot of AI videos there as well. We're starting to see a lot of those channels just be completely faceless. They're in English, but they could be someone from whatever. I actually saw a video. It was like a bio, and it tricked me. I thought it was an actual YouTuber doing it, and then in the middle there was some young guy. I think he was a teenager, and he just stopped it, and he couldn't speak English, and he asked the audience for money. It's getting out of hand how bad the situation is. My problem with this is that I understand why it's happening, right? I understand that, I can create a video and it take me 2-3 hours to, record, upload, or even days to research a review, product review, where someone else can just pump lots of videos out there. And the fact is they're doing that and they're getting rewarded for it because people are clicking, people are watching, and they're making money. So they're just automating the whole thing. My problem with it is that YouTube isn't doing enough to stop that. I'm not saying that moving forward over the next, 5 years, there isn't a place for AI content on YouTube. There isn't a place for certain videos to be created with AI or with the help of AI. But I don't think YouTube is doing enough to prioritize original content. And what's going to happen over time, in my opinion, is that original YouTube creators, people that just record or people that create original videos and don't use AI or only use AI to kind of help write their scripts or, kind of help support certain things, thumbnails or whatever, those people are just going to be discouraged because all the work they're going to put in, they're not going to get a reward. And that's the thing, YouTube has, they've said that they're going to, fight against AI. They want to prioritize original content, but that's not what I see on the YouTube feed every day. YouTube Shorts is just garbage every day. It's just auto-generated crap, and I'm starting to see it creep into regular long-form content as well. I don't think this is going to change in 2026. I think AI slop is going to get worse. I truly think that figure there, 21 to 33%, honestly think that could shoot up to 40 or 50% by the end of the year. This is a problem that is not going away, and I don't know what YouTube is going to do about it. I don't know what social media in general is going to do about it, but it's getting really difficult because I think a lot of viewers as well don't even realize that what they're watching isn't original. So yeah, that's my rant as a creator, but also as a YouTube viewer. I'd love to hear your thoughts on all of this. I'm not anti-AI. I do use ChatGPT for research and different things with computers. I do find it useful. I do use it in my job and for coding and different things as well. But from a video watching perspective, I'm not sure I'm liking the direction that everything is going just now. This slop that is just getting worse and worse. So I'll leave a link to that article. Check it out. Let me know what you think about it, and just let me know what you think about AI content in general. I know that there is some good AI content out there, but I don't know. I just don't like the direction that things are going. But over to you guys. Please do leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your opinion on it. As always, give the video a thumbs up or a subscribe if you've enjoyed it. And until next time, take care.